Hi, and welcome to CFS Live. In this video, I would like to demonstrate a new feature that combines or connects the contributions portion of the software and the fund accounting. If you go to the Membership and Contributions area and click the Contribution and Contribution Reports tab, down at the bottom, there is an area for posting a deposit to a fund account. Now, this feature, because it is used in combination with the fund accounting, requires that your subscription includes both membership and contributions and fund accounts. What we will do, obviously we have a number of contributions that are in this demonstration database, and we will click Post Deposit. Now, if you have existing contributions and the software recognizes that there are contributions that more than likely have already been deposited, but because this is a new feature, it verifies that you want to actually deposit these or just close them out, you will receive this dialog. You can read this, but basically it's saying that when we open the next dialog, we will have to specifically check the contributions that we want to deposit. We click OK, and you will receive the screen with a list of the contributions that are available for deposit. The first thing that you'll want to do is select the date that you're making this deposit. Let's say we're going to be making this tomorrow. Next, you will see a list of the accounts that you have in your fund accounting. So in this case, we have general checking, savings, men ministry, so on and so forth. So we will select general checking. Now, the contributions are listed with the most recent on the top. So for instance, let's say that we've already made all of October's and all these older contributions because this is the first time that we're running this. So what we're simply going to want to do is select the 11/3 and the 11/12 to make the deposit. Now, one thing you'll notice on here that it shows the date of the contribution, the contribution total, and then has this checkbox. But then there is also a link here for view details. So if we click that for the contribution date, what we're going to see is a list of the categories or the contribution types and the amount itemized for each one of these groups. Now this is great when you look at this 462 and you see that your deposit does not total that. You can look at this and then you can do the breakdown and find out where there is an error and go back, whether it be on your any other record keeping or in the database itself, and correct the contribution. So once we've done this, we see that our total deposit is $705, and we're done. We're going to click Post Deposit. What will happen is the program will generate a deposit slip, and from that deposit slip, it will itemize the checks that are involved, show the cash amount, the check amount, and the total, and it will also provide the date of the deposit along with your church information. Now, I will make this point that for security reasons, we are not storing your bank information. So the account number and the routing number, there are lines here to complete that. But again, for security reasons, we are not going to save that. So you will just have to print this out and complete that information. Now what we're going to do is just go over to the fund account so I can show you how that deposit is made. We made it into general checking. And as you can see here, we have a deposit for $705. We can click this split and we will see the breakdown of the totals. $100 for other, $10 Mother's Memorial, so on and so forth to 705. And there it is. That is our new deposit feature. As with this or any other feature of CFS Live, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via technical support, complete the form, and submit it to us, and we will get back with you as quickly as possible. God bless, and thank you for using CFS Live.